This data here contains the sales for each month for all the salespeople. We need to find out the best month for each salesperson and for each month the best salesperson, as shown on the screen now. We can do this using the BYROW and BYCOL function. Let's understand how. Let's start by calculating the best month for each salesperson. Since we need to apply this function on each row, we will use the BYROW function. The array is the set of data from B2 to G7. And for function, let's write lambda. The lambda function requires defining a mandatory parameter. We can call it row, as we need to apply the formula for each row. And for the function, we will use the index function. Since we need to return the best month, we will use the array as B1 to G1, which contains the names of all the months. Fix the reference. For row num, we will use the match function. The lookup value is the maximum value of the unit sold for that salesperson. So we will write max of the row parameter. Lookup array is the array where we will search for the largest value, which is row in this case. Match type is exact match, therefore 0. Close the match, index, lambda and BYROW functions. And we get the best month for each salesperson. The BYROW function applies the calculation to each row one by one. Now let's calculate the best salesperson for each month. Since the monthly data is in columns, we will use the BYCOL function. The array is B2 to G7, and for the function we will write lambda. We will define a parameter call. The function we will write is similar to the one that we had written for the best month. Index. The range is A2 to A7. Fix the reference. Match. We will use max of call as the lookup value. And we will search it in the lookup array call. 0 for exact match, close all the 4 brackets, and we get the names of the best salesperson for each month. So that's how you use the BYROW and BYCOL functions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.